Good evening. I'm Joe Netherworld, and I'm here with your daily tarot card reading for Saturday, December 21st, 2013. It's also the winter solstice, a very interesting time of the year for me. It marks the beginning of winter, but also the return of daylight by about a minute a day now. Right now we're heading into the darkest day of the year, and that's kind of nice for us, darklings that kind of appreciate that. But it's kind of nice to know that the year is ramping back up, and we're moving into the next process. So it's funny that in so many ways January 1st is New Year, but this is New Year. Halloween is New Year. It makes more sense in some ways, right? But here we go. We're going to do a reading for today, and I do enjoy the solstice, and I'll be doing all kinds of candle work and cauldron work and magic-y stuff. I do enjoy any excuse for rampant witchcraft. But if you're just tuning in, haven't saw me do this before, it's three main cards. We pull our first card. It's a 3-card read, one main card, but 3 cards. And the other 2 cards will be our qualifier for the day. It shows us, it kind of explains and defines what the main card of the day is. So I'm going to just kind of roll through this and see what I want to stop on. I shuffle, but I also kind of want to get in here and touch the cards and feel them and let them speak for themselves. And I like this card. And she was here the other day. So there's a point when, things like this is the 9 of Pentacles, right? And was here yesterday. I believe, no, not yesterday, day before. Yeah, I'm losing myself in my reads. Anyway, when someone's, card keeps coming back within a couple days of itself, despite my shuffling, it means one thing, and that it wants to be here. This is, on this day, the year's riding itself out, and done, and we're entering a new, process. This is a card about showing your worth, but it's about badges and money, but also about its diplomas, badges, achievements. So today's a great day. What this card is, when it comes up center stage like this, is about showing like maybe it's time to decide on a major, a career change, to start getting a certification, to actually be able to be held up and judged on your value, but value you've earned. So like today, like, okay, you want to be the best in your field, well, earn it. Get a documentation, get cited, get your dissertations published, get someone to acknowledge your worth, at work, at home, but you have to have what I call third-party verification is very important. By doing things that not only do you do something and for someone and it's noted and that's great, but a third party can say, yes, I certify that you are the best at this, or you are certified to do this job. So maybe it's time for you to get your commercial driver's license, or all these things you might have been hinging on doing but haven't completed. So maybe you want to get a real estate license, bartending, certificate. All these, even if it might seem trivial and small, it's important to have that certificate. So that's what the main thrust of today is. It's about proving yourself. Undisputed, not a matter of opinion, but a matter of undisputed truth, what you are. So let's see what I like this card. Wheel of Fortune, that's nice. And you. Well, here we go. We have Wheel of Fortune, which is the Wheel of Fortune. It's pretty simple, right? It's about being that anything's possible, that things can change, things can move ourselves in different parts of our life, that we have to take some gamble and take chances. But we also have on the other side, yet again, the 6 of Cups has returned again, and we are ending this year with a lot of bounty and proof and things happening. So these all tie together very succinctly and strongly in making a very particular message, which is this would be a great time today to make those decisions. And maybe you can't do it today, but you could decide to do it today, is to finally get some accreditation, some proof of your value. So maybe it's time to set course from declaring a major in college to declaring a major in life and getting proof of it, getting some sort of documentation, merit, proof, diploma of sorts into the game here and make this day work for you. So, and Wheel of Fortune's on your side in that it's saying spin, take a chance. Maybe it's time to go into areas that you thought you couldn't even do. But they're showing that there's bounty in here, and that today's really all about bounty, proof, and taking a chance. So that's pretty simple and pretty a great day when you know that you're not fighting any hidden forces that might hold you back. But it is saying step up. You know, and there's, in this day and age, there's so many simple ways that you can, in 5 minutes online, you know, complete an online course, you know, for the day, just to have a certificate that you can do some sort of programming or you know, work that way. You could decide to enroll into a beauty school and get a, you know, go back to finish your law degree, you know. But really about what it's showing me for not only today and the rest of this month, but for what's coming next year, it's really important that you set some sort of goal to get some sort of accreditation and accreditation, and have that you can hold that up for yourself. That a third party says, yes, you are capable, valued, and worthy of doing this job. So take that as today's mission. It's a mission day, and I'll be back here around midnight, as always, with a new reading for tomorrow, and I look forward to hearing your comments. You can always contact me on Keen.com. I do live readings there, personally, one-on-one. The link's in the box. In the box. I'm reaching out of the computer to the box. But leave me some comments. Let me know how the day goes, and let me know what your goals and plans and dreams are. I'd like to hear them. But have a great night, and I'll see you tomorrow.